Hi guys, good morning. It's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have the $5 Goodwill challenge, which as you guys probably know is hosted by Hillary from My So-Called Home, and this has been going on for a few years and I'm so excited as always to take part. So let's get straight into it. So I picked this up about 4 or 5 months ago and I thought I would keep it for this challenge. Let me show you what it is. It comes in this little box and it's basically a salt and pepper, and the thing that caught my eye was the bunny. You know, I thought that was very springy. So here it is. I have to say that it kind of doesn't go with what I'm trying to do in the living room, so I don't think I'm going to use it. I might, however, tomorrow is the DIY challenge for spring for the DIY mummy, so I might do something with that and see if I can use it there. So I paid $2.99 for that. And then in this past week, I found this little holder here, 2 bottles. There's the price, 99p. I thought this was really cute. And also, this little doll, it does open, it's basically a little trinket, but I really like that it looks almost like it's been hand painted and it's just a quirky item. So let me show you how I've used them in my home. That's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you to Hillary for putting this challenge together as always. There will be a link to her channel as well as the playlist with everyone taking part down below in the description. Now, don't forget to come back tomorrow to see the DIY spring challenge that I'm taking part in with the DIY mummy. So see you then. Bye.